Sumahene. Ni tiri se pitire. Sumahene. Keni tiri.
President Dormaahene Mahama me enka asem nkyerɛw. Asante your mind. Na wo beto asante. Tambia wa bam na manfo take advantage. E kasa fin timi ya niam hunu bia e de kyerɛ asante.
Me yesanka anytime bia bonofo na nasa Dormaahene ne nkofo ne ba be ka Otumfuo asem edine ne betwi fam no. Anka me nya video about that because for sure man catch them me say me nyai because the more I'm making video about them the more I am hyping them. But Charlie, and anyone more when you forgo enya nice. On be can at least say response eba I was able to me amam update. In there was ya I found someone Sumahene any Dormaahene ebe kan fa Otumfuo ho no. TikTok as a very problem chire mu say omu de sobo no ebo jo Mahama wa sheda anama Dormaahene enu Sumahene enu edi Otumfuo anim etwitwi fom omu be fire be man chiri wonu akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ahi Penyah block media message say any day obe like video no adam abro subscribe button snap click notification connectors abi snap chire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section so baso no share for onya bia hwe you know metini from em say omu de mampanyini tinase etunifo no Mahama edi Sumahene aka ho bi oda say wa appoint Sumahene to omu de tinase Council of Elders omu de Mahama mampanyini tinase tunifo Kenya nsangu ne triman de bu man no omo according to rumor no Mahama edi Sumahene aka ho bi etubeka last week Friday ana Otumfuo Asantehene oya in the last meeting of the year last general meeting for the year 2025 as Asantehene council enhye bi nyese yewu afrofro mu na ho no ana say ode anibere ekasa because na krata bi edin kan ba na if National House of Chief yes omu tire say they want to include Queen Mothers you know at the regional House of Chief level say we because sit na Queen Mothers ebebe bi any ade ade just say mko be mpese critic chamber bi ni ade Otumfuo kasa masa no pa de emfa it will never materialize into the best of me bia no munyai obetan a kire ho ba ebeduru anim obeba to agu obeba agu any ade ma sample amaya konya na yesi so no obeka ya ase na the Bono regional minister oka kan sem bia se Otumfuo asem na wo kan ye enipo Otumfuo abone man na se obese mutu Otumfuo anu obese mutu na hini egu ese omu empe ono etina se obese omu statism against bi ni ade eno so Otumfuo fire Bono regional minister say onya de okeka no ohweye enam so ema Sumahene ebe kasai Sumahene Dormaahene nya be kasai omunya bai no bi attack Otumfuo na busua uko media na so a concerning that attack na omode be Otumfuo no TikTokers na si da bi so bo ne form Mahama
Sumahene. Ni tiri se pitire. Sumahene. Keni tiri. Utru se dabu kosia. So utru pa utise dabu kosia. Wotu na Jimmy so support that guy we. Na mu makam Jimmy sana mu Jimmy o social media na so. Na de bia anya Dormaahene na akwa Jimmy for no Sumahene. Anya Dormaahene na akwa Jimmy for Sumahene. Na Jimmy sana mu social media. Yes, you have more time.
Yeah, we shall form a church. My mom knew about Otumfuo with my friend 1,000 years. Man, just no puncher. I was for a while near there. Naja, in him said, science and some of media and so between Dormaahene Asantehene and some never be an air cosson. For a while near there, remember about Otumfuo and say a tour, a chana, say never be a brass because at the man at Dormaahene a free and this are my honor. Inti anasa nema no o yes a nema hunu ni nyina no ne nsa aka wi nti no ne yerim se o sa nema ni na eto atwa onto se na no emso mode enema bi pese mo be se ye culture asantema on be se culture be se amamre a otokoko so penso be ahene me bodi kasem cancer derby on one prima adie bia e bese sana mamre mmese on prince man nya adwuma wona Asantehene no ma wo se Sumahene aba ekeka nsem bi me zabda ambeze me do mo picture to bet ya na me pese mo be too much relevance antina na me pese me post wo mo pictures e wo me yi so no because sometimes yeah nkra na yiti wo mo etimu se nyansa ebini ho na memblemo no me ade a me di me fam president John Dormaahene Mahama asem wo me wiase a me baaye no John Mahama ade a me fam John Mahama asem e wo me wiase a me baaye ene sa ade we you see President John Dormaahene Mahama me enka asem nkyerɛw Asante your mind na wo beto Asante Tambia wa bam and amafo take advantage e kasa fin timi ya niam hunu bia e de kyerɛ Asante e de fa Asante ho and no enka asem nkyerɛw President John Dormaahene Mahama wo beto Asante wa ban na beto Asante your mind Asante bekoso your mind na Asante bekoso Asante wo bekɔ wo beba amaf Ghana bet generation upon generation Asante beta so Asante edi Ghana so muti asem ne ye generation beba Asante bekoso Asante bekoso edi Ghana so Asante bekoso kese a chen Ghana I mean muti masie enti no de mo ye no mamonya mo adwese mu be bibia ma na asesa bibia na asesa bibia brother John Dormaahene Mahama me ka say just 4 years pe na obedi akonwa just 4 years pe na obedi akonwa untra so bebre just 4 years they say I say and they say and I cap just a few 3 years I cap 3 years pe na time aso nti ade bia wo ye bia no hu say wo beja bibia to ama obi abe ya me abe kan ho asem daachi Sumahene ma men kan asem kyerɛw Dormaahene nkwase asem ne nsɛmfo obedi ye e depend the position and I was start bi a opese wo ye niema fo niema hu e keka asem fafa menhia ho na wona wo de pe ba bi gina na emfo ma men kan asem kyerɛw o kasa oh na da bia de a me kasa NDC aban no ye so mi hu word am fan se homa because baby adru no ara ansem be pia free ne panu no crofon tin sempa because NDC aban ye so damp to the stand say obi am speech we obi am speech we mo me say Sumahene asem o kan no video no mo ko boda muntie national security mo moda muntie and where Sumahene ma men ka asem kire ma men kan nyansa fan tu utrim se wonni mi nyansa ma men kan nyansa fan tu utrim obadru kumase wo so oba kumase na obi ye obi bia Ghana ban na de wo ka say ye Asante fo ye jimijimu o ye ni mo ho time Asante ye ni mo ho time Asante udru kumase no hu boys no so usi kejetia ana usi wo airport krampa wo be fa we menhia hu boys obi ani abre ye adwuma obi ani abre ye bibi eto bibi ye ni ho time wo ha na be obibi into the compare boys na be hu omo kuma fa compare ukromfo no muguonom no ukromfo no muguonom no mwawewe nsa aye basa tantantan fa boys na be hu omo kuma fa compare ukromfo ne hu se so bi wo ho ta mo be obibi e so bi wo ho ta mo be obibi buri ana mo yale na muguonom ya na mo yale mo adwen we na nya adwuma ye so bi wo mo ho ta mo ho obi wo mo Dormaahene ye ne obi so no so I mean o pray no hu afi wa hu do si why aboa bi awie they say only respect e wo nipa mbiem they say respect bi ani ho biem because what kokko so no hunu say o ye nyame Otumfuo no o ye nyame Otumfuo ye nyame eti wo sori tie nyame a nyame wani mbebu ase wo sori tie nyame wani mbebu ase na me ka kire mo hwe obi atumi mfa bibia emesesa ye ya mamro Asante amamro mutumi mfa hwe emesesa Asante amamre eti na opem so se won te ase ma obi anfa bibia emesesa na mamra mukoko apa na saa 4 years na mo bedi wa konwa mutumi mfa emesesa Asante hwe yo na mo we nyansa egu koman a wo se de nyansa ene adi bu Asante man na wo kra wo to no me bo hwe Mose monte ase so Otumfuo se National House of Chiefs na Mose National House of Chiefs na da hono no Asante ahemfo firi mu a National House of Chiefs no say empty because any dey nyansa be support dey mu ye bia o nsem bia mo kan wo bia Asantefo ahemfo na do mu nyansa be support that is fact either you like it or not you can go to hell me say Asante ahemfo na dey wo mu nyansa e be support you enti Otumfuo ya so mo ba ho pa no na mo te mo ho ase na mo spreading sem fun egu na mo maza etuo kura ntimi ye na ano etuo kura ntimi Asante na ano and mo amoti social media na mo kaka jimisem ne mo de mo de kuro bia mo mfa mo ahemfo tie se no bia develop ni kurom and ye de ma ohene na dwe percentage fa ohene adwe percentage ye comment section me say no be developing a country ni kuro ti say me kuro mas korema pon factories bebre on poku farmer then farmer a lot of university on my CCC on university as korema pon brass korema pon we be kuro it is a me hene ya say me man percentage a met mama 99 because we develop corona kama and still we free money but still yes develop it if we dey hwe ukrom na fa ukrom development ema wo hene nyansa percentage wo hene na ote wo so na ono no kasa nsemfo de kire ye no from ukrom development e fa man percentage ni nyansa because the way we develop ukrom sa na nyansa atie nti fa man first comment section hono so mo jimi e de nyansa betu mutirim ntina na Sumahene utimi megina Asante konso utimi megina Chiame konso emfa enuru ba bia o dia wo start na moa but down the day no obe lose o respect the flow bia ho kra ketenkete ne be kasa ti awo because dia wo ye nyansa bia nim buno regional minister asama wo kana dia buno regional minister ete ho no ade a oto ho yeah fight for peace no na mo small fight for kwase anema mo de mo ntena na mo be hu se mo jimi a nti wo de wo baba kumase obi anu wo tam boys wa ha no mo kromfo boys wa hu kromfo boys o mo gun sadwa ase arere nsa ya trototo dru pz kumase wo hu bi boys ni obi a wa de peska o nti mo nsu anyansa na asante o man and without Asante no Ghana ntimi nye successful without Asante no Ghana Asante na Ghana ye Ghana upro mo abrofo ne ye mo nimdifo ne ye mo sikafo ne ye mo nyansafo ne ye you can take it or not. I don't even fucking care.
Abusia me church obibia Abusia, I'm beginning to be disappointed say me ya Asante. Truth be told, na NDC as a political party they should bow down their head in shame. And His Excellency John Dormaahene Mahama, first gentleman of the land, because on Monday ye no musu no mobile moye nyina kire say they are escalating something more can be kire ya Asante for. Abusia maka de wo ma kire mo. This is the last time I make us ask him. Yesterday, sometime we have our message and we need the message to go overboard. Your person message in the encono be anko. This message needs to go FYP. A point by never come here 50 points. Video ya me posti. What be coming across? Who follow me? We are Asante like it. Share video in initiate here. Na comment. If you can't write something, just use an emoji. Any pabe 10 first time viewers esha ebeba. If you can't like the video, if you can't comment the video, please don't like. Just skip it off. And nay any bread up, and nay brunya be nay any bread, and nay embe kwa Asante to kwa any emeke kan yes I man ye di brunya, but and nay any bread up. Mesremo onya da bia na me video akasa. If you can't do what I'm begging you to do for me for this video to go FYP, because I have a strong message for the people out there. Untimi nya ho video na skip it. I will be pissed off whoever saw be like a video now one comment. I will be pissed off. I need your support to push this video to FYP. Now kwasiafo ni nyina nya bitie. Like I was saying, NDC, we are Asante. It's time say what say who say NDC for no. Minim, especially the first gentleman of the land. Ni ne ya wo ye me hu ni ye. Nti Ghana ha nyina ye nya nyansafo. Amo me elder of Council of State se Kwasiampanyiwi Sumahene. Na His Excellency John Dormaahene Mahama kwasia we o fa ne se onne metu Ghana banfo na futu papa be na jimifo betimi dia mamo ene yesen ka mokọ e bia western region mokọ northern region mo ba Asante region but them ni bi na mokọ no mafa no na mo de na kan ho because but them ni and what's our other regions greater Accra ni amanfo no it's much wiser way wiser our own anti free hase ya ko Australia emu wapan na China sa no mu nyansa ne de mu hu ne se wo ye ohene ne nyansa tie sɛdeɛ wɔ akwakwasea no saa no obenyini bɛyɛ panyin kwasea nti Sumahene atimi atena ho anyini abɛyɛ jimi kwasea because of politics matimi afrɛ we sɛ on bɛyɛ deɛ Council of State na jimi fo we assemble na this is the reason why ti Ghana nkɔ nanim no enyansafo wɔ hɔ ɛna kwaseafo tete apɔnkɔ so Sumahene to me a council of state, a council president, and a governance. To waste any pa nyansa ba akokora ni tirim. Obi a watena akonya so over 25 years of its throne. Ko ta road ko hu bi da. Jimmy fo say. Na by na ababusa say NDC aba power say MPP aba power say. Ajima bedu na odi na ye backing dog na odi na chi no. Ne hene na odi na chi no kura nim nyansa. If you are suffering, no be inside my bedroom nyansa. Said by Trini Jonas, on the council of Trini Jonas became no cray. Trini Jonas came out and said, nay, never biana or yeno, unim nyansa. Now, oh, master, wouldn't achieve any nyansa. How much more sell wakrano? Then if you for me, you know, excellent young Kuni friend, you quite a yam no better. Oh, master, now wouldn't a chino. Ghana had you be himself or your hina winning nyansa. How much more? No more to me Ghana buying. It's me for quasi and penny ways on the council of state. And like I was saying, me general, I'm very disappointed in NDC government. For me, Oya Asantehene, you should be very disappointed. Obia, I will way of choosing it political party. Fair enough. Oya Asantehene, NDC, fair enough. But to waste, you will choose your a political party than your tribe there. Na me huni pa way, sebi. Me huni pa wo se ni pa krono ye. Se Miss Redman Rollins to meet every NDC will be an equal founder of NDC appertaining party NDP. Now lang cash. Kufo granting interview and say we delay or send ne nana when NDC or your mama they will flash the house. So this clearly says a political party a choice, but your tribe can never be changed. Maybe tia me Asantehene can never be Sesala ni or Dagombeni. And to say will be that's one also choose political party than the tribe there. That person who adwina eda wotrim nti because of say NDC ni na sem kwase asem bi e obi jimi NDC ma because me NDC ni so I should be mute. The first gentleman of the land eye nyina no me hu ni ye and ye nana me nana Otumfuo say tutu nana nkwaso en po eboni dia ne aboyemu nana nyankwada e na me bom pa say me da bia keep on saying no one should inherit someone enemy. For that say obi time for inheriting me dintum. No one should inherit someone enemy. But enche bia asem wo court, sampa asem wo court, and o call bono. First president call bono, or call ye no mko for Jimmy Force Farouk. E bae, and ye chile na asem wo call to president. Boja say. Nancy on sa call bono Farouk said now. O se pe council of state Jimmy for way Sumahene no akwa akofane so metu abandful. Now we dey na mbeyama wo ye Ghana ni a enya mfa politics to nchen. Na fa tribe issue to nchen. Na we asem no. Na hwe Jimmy fo a yakofan so metu abandful no ma we be da ekoyi. O my Ghana be da akoyi. Obie na no a wo ye wo hene, obie wa no a tribal war. Nti mumu sa say ade ebono fo no mo ye mema chen asantefo ana. Obie e do so chen mo. Mumu sa mo ho. Other tribe na mo say asantefo tribalism. Just ask yourself this simple question. Omo ye mema chen no mo do so chen ana. Say you raso me a lamplight, yes, or you here or you for peace. Abokon tokampo and tokwa emfa no ho on na siesie because of so amama santimai. No Bama Ghana nyina. Na kono so nyese nyame ne nyansa se de agimifo eti bono ene presidency aka bom no ya the national security force so munhui. No so kasa. E de besi Ghana ase. And who told you say Asantehene for ma? Mu Ghana records and who for na ako ye kwa ako am oba nyina kwa ako. As to say we will be defeated or we win, Asante. Musa Monsa, one when I call a Asante for. Now, you have been out to be in it, a Yakotoko Hene, why dean Ghana Pennyphone. My dean, and I'm quite for it for the past bare 4 years, so Mu Jimmy Sa. Peace Council for one way. Fire burn you all, national security. You want a fancy comedy quiet life. Say one why Mahama move president to say anything. Nobody go to police station to report. Mu trace on becho mu chini for waiting birthday. At the end Dormaahene birthday 25th anniversary. E fa Asantehene ho be. E ho na abeka records. Abe incite ni pa say there be a musient me mekumase me bekumase because of Asante people were peace. Pole kwa kan say team in relegation. Pole ba bono you killed him. Mu kum Pole Asantehene ye din ti no more test here what test right? I'm very disappointed because national security and NDC are buying was when this now point on. That's the reason why I'm saying I'm very disappointed in NDC party. Kwasiare needs to be called. Sumahene needs to be called. Now Sumdreba Ghana. Somebody must say because of politics into Bianca Kwasiasama. More the black marine and I did chama to me akwakotum. Black marine is meant for criminals. Yes, I must say politics. Black marine is meant for criminals. I'm so yeah, Asantehene now we NDC niya. Now so be choose NDC party eja wa tribe. Minim nyansa da wutrim. Aboa kwa wo nyansa chen. It's good to be in political party by reason. Reason. Jimmy Sambano no. And yama who nyana moye threaten people for no reason. By yama a cause of chaos or my remuno. You've kept quiet on it. It's a financial security for nam kwache fancy comedy na mo what up is more. Jimmy for the Casamonte. What me for Jimmy for way say or a council of state into a blindfold. Monko fa them new other regions no me to move way. Because but them new kwen nyansa chenwi. You say by the tinya asa na the fronya asa so na tinya. This clearly show o man Ghana for you. Abusuafo me de me show be a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Me macha de no so mon famra na meje. O come page your number ne da o. Mon famra meje. Ye di bronya na me bona afunu man to man na reka me ntwadwan a e bia me koje for life. Na ye bompa say yura. Obey be sa enema we nyina free na akwan because me kwa me dwene ho amenti ase abusuya moko page ne so number ne da o mama momo ne alert ye je bronya ade akope ba bia atena ya bre ye hire hire obibia nya me hire obibia the name still remains nada makramo
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!